In today's tough market, people are looking for an edge to run a profitable business and stay ahead of their competitors. Working efficiently is the key to doing that, and doing things that cost you time, like cleanup, can be greatly minimized with proper dust extraction. Dust control is an integral part of the Festool system and design philosophy by collecting the dust as it's made, where it's made. Festool offers a full line of dust extractors optimized for the way you work. The CT Mini and CT Midi are Festool's most portable mobile dust extractors. The CT26, CT36, and CT48 are Festool's most capable and versatile mobile dust extractors. All of these units feature HEPA filters and carry full unit HEPA certification. Good dust extraction starts at the tool and ends with clean air being returned to the room. For Festool, dust extraction is the primary consideration of the tool's design. Whether it is our Jetstream and multi-Jetstream pad designs for our sanders, or the efficient internal shrouding and channeling that makes our tools able to capture the dust as it happens. Different tools make different chips or sawdust. Routers and planers make larger shavings that, although may be easier to clean up than the finer dust of saws or sanders, those larger chips spread debris over a larger area in a very short time. With a sander, the size of the dust particle coming off is about the same size as the grit on the sandpaper. So the finer the paper, the finer the dust. And the finer the dust, the more it contaminates the area in ways that are both seen and unseen. What is seen as sanding swarf left on the surface that has to be removed before any finish can take place. What is unseen are the smaller particles that hang in the air for hours or even days. In the workshop, this means these particles later descend on finished surfaces. Cleaning sets further expand the dust extractor platform by providing several options, including large diameter hoses for increased airflow, nozzles, crevice tools, tubes, and floor sweeps. There are many other accessories that can amplify the function of the CT dust extractors. The boom arm keeps the hose off the material and out of the way, ensuring that the surface is protected while dust is being extracted. The work center keeps all the tools and other things you need at the place of work, which reduces time lost searching for tools, and that provides more time to get the work done. In the shop or at home, dust control can't be an afterthought. Not if you want to save yourself the time, cost, and mess of dealing with it later. Festool offers a wide range of dust extraction solutions to minimize cleanup, improve finish results, and work more efficiently than ever. Whether in the shop or on the job site, increase your productivity with a Festool dust extractor.
Introducing the Portamate PM8000 Portacube STR, the revolutionary portable workstation and storage center, designed to get the most out of your miter saw. Does it feel like every time you start a project, you struggle to find space in your crowded workshop? The Portamate Portacube STR is your solution to a crowded workspace. The Portacube STR's compact footprint is uniquely designed for portable storage of your miter saw, and when fully expanded, it will provide up to 7 feet of working surface. Using the universal tool mounts, almost any size miter saw can be attached to the Portacube STR's unique rotating base. Heavy-duty 10-inch wheels and a retractable locking handle makes moving simple and easy. When you're ready to get to work, your miter saw easily rotates from its stored position and locks securely in place. Side extension wings and adjustable tool tables raise and lock into position. And adjustable feet can be used for leveling on uneven surfaces. With the Portacube STR fully expanded, you are ready to start making cuts with your miter saw. When cutting is complete, rotate your saw back into storage and the Portacube STR transforms into a 7-foot work surface, perfect for working on additional projects you may have. When your work is finished, simply return the Portacube STR to its compact size, raise the retractable handle, and easily roll it back into storage, ready for your next project. The Portacube STR is the perfect complement to your miter saw or other tabletop tool. Compact in size, It expands to a portable workstation and makes miter saw use and storage in your crowded workshop more efficient. To learn more, visit Portamate.com.
These are the Bosch JS470E and JS470EB jigsaws. The JS470E has a top handle, and the JS470EB has a barrel grip for even better control. These tools provide power, durability, and precision for any woodworking professional. A 7-amp motor helps you power through wood, aluminum, even mild steel. The no-load SPM ranges from 500 up to 3100 and has up to 60 Hertz. Constant response circuitry ensures that the desired speed is maintained when under load, so you never have to worry about inconsistencies in performance or precision. Simply adjust between 4 different orbital action settings to find the right blade stroke for both smooth and aggressive cuts. You can also bevel up to 45 degrees. Both jigsaws features a toolless blade ejection lever, so you don't have to touch a hot blade when it's time to change, and they're both equipped with a non-marring plastic overshoe that protects finer surfaces. An anti-splinter insert fits either into the overshoe or directly into the foot plate. The ambidextrous lock-on allows you for long and steady cuts without compromising comfort. Internal precision control within the plunge system is designed to keep vibration low and enhance accuracy for extremely smooth operation. So these are the Bosch JS470E and JS470EB top handle and barrel grip jigsaw. For more information on these tools, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.